Alright, Schumann, Reconnaissance. This is the most iffy part of this, is the left hand actually, this figuration. Okay, now let's put it together. I have to identify the instruments here, right? So we have the bass. Right? And then you have also the horns here. So I play the different voices with different heads. Okay, so now I have to try to figure out how to make that happen in just one hand, right? While we're talking about pinky-thumb relationship, I have to feel how far am I going this first A flat to C. And then out of these three voices, if you see, there's one that stays the same, right? Staying at the same note, but it's becoming a different function for the other chord. So he's not technically staying the same. Right? It's longer. Okay, and then after that I can figure out this. Then I can do the timing and I can see the movement. But this is staccato, and then see, I don't want to go out here. It might be scary for you, but it's like you. Or if you want to be over here, then I have to figure out going from here to here. But you have to map all that out and see how it feels going from one note to the rest, to the next. So I'm literally always on the surface of the keyboard.